One woman's wisdom saved a king's character. Abigail stood in the gap when David almost lost his way. Grace is a shield for the soul. When you stop listening to God, you start listening to the dark. Desperation led Saul into the cold silence of a night without an answer. He searched the shadows for a voice he had long ago rejected, finding only the echo of his own tragic end. The fire is dying, and the king is out of time. The mountains of Gilboa witness the heavy end of an era. The shield of the mighty is cast away, and the crown of Israel lies abandoned in the dust. On this peak, the light of a dynasty went out, leaving nothing but the mist and the memory of what could have been. How the mighty have fallen. David didn't celebrate his enemy's fall. He mourned his brother's loss. He didn't see a rival defeated. He saw a king and a prince lost to the sword. True greatness knows how to weep. David's song of the bow wasn't just poetry. It was proof that even in war, honor and love can have the final word. The wait is over. In the city of Hebron, the tribes unite under the one God chose in the sheepfold. The shepherd is now king. Jerusalem is taken. The city of David rises. The king is on the throne, and the promise is being fulfilled. Zion belongs to the Lord.